Hi, I'm Dr. Caroline Leaf, and I am so excited about my new book, Think, Learn, Succeed. This book is the culmination of my life's work in research, the mind-brain connection, and in my clinical practice. Everyone thinks that they have the key to success, but the real key to success lies deep inside of all of us, and that is in our mind. If we don't get our mind right, nothing else in our life will go right. So in this book, I really teach you to understand your mind and how to get the best out of your mind, to succeed at getting those grades that you want at school, to succeed at work, achieving those goals and dreams and priorities and promotions and fulfilling all those ideas that you have. In life, communication, relationships, all these important things which are dependent on how you are using your mind. So I've broken this book up into 3 sections, and the first section deals with mindsets. Mindsets contain power. The second section deals with the gift profile, which helps you understand your unique, customized way that you think and process information. The third section deals with my 5-step learning process to help you to build memory. So coming back to mindsets. Mindsets are physical things that you build into your brain with your mind. So your mind is where the key to success lies. So when we use our mind correctly, and using our mind correctly means that we think, feel, and choose correctly, we're then going to change the structure of our brain. Because as we're thinking, feeling, and choosing, we are building these thoughts into the brain. And these thoughts are made up of information and emotions, and they are your mindsets. And mindsets contain the power to propel you forward or to make you go backwards. The second part, the customized thinking, the gift profile, helps you understand how you process information in your unique, customized way. So it's a profile that you fill in, really simple, based on scientific research, clinical application, that as you fill it in, you'll learn how to get those grades that you want. You'll learn how to have that goal achieved that you want, how to achieve those dreams in the workplace, how to get that promotion. When you understand your customized thinking, you change the way that you function in life. And it's an ongoing process. The third section dealing with memory, if you don't know how to build memory, you can't remember anything. If you can't remember anything, you can't succeed at anything. So using your mind to build effective memory is what you're doing anyway, so learning how to do it properly is vitally important. In this day and age, we are gathering data like puzzle pieces instead of building deep, useful, effective memory. The 5-step process teaches you how to take the information that we have such easy access to and gather that information correctly and think about it through the 5 steps to build long-lasting, useful, and effective memory. Being able to get your mindsets under control, understand your unique thinking through the gift profile, and understanding how to use these 5 steps are 3 incredibly powerful tools that will definitely help you succeed at school, work, and life.